fun. I enjoyed myself. This was it.
Have you been on this boat before?
Nope, I've never been on a catamaran.
First time review. Y'all, come to
Okay, I give it an 8 out of 10. Only because of the boat rocking. You know, it's not really like the boat rocking, but 8 out of 10. Went to Rick's Cafe. There was a whole twerk contest.
Period. And look at the sunset, y'all. Like, what?
That part.
I feel like everybody was engaged into like the, you know, what was supposed to be happening.
Yep.
The whole boat ride, people were engaged. And we got to stop, and like the people that we stopped with.
We got the snorkel. We also got the snorkel.
Snorkel, and people were twerking.
That part.
So we're back, and we're about to head back to the resort. And yeah, we're gonna catch y'all there. In your ear, Asha.
We got some extras.
I'm all up in your ear.
Hey, girl.
Hey, girl. What's weird about it? What's weird about it?
It's a Monopoly.
We're not Monopoly. He said it's like Monopoly.
I know. Say it again so Kelly can get it on her blog.
Okay, so everybody be just
You good?
yes.
I'm bored. Go ahead, Kelly. So our lovely
Rewind.
Our sister up there in Nigeria, she just passed the ball.
If you are, but she also got a job offer.
Money make gon' treat you like the Pope. Or the bunch like the Kimmy in the post. Nigga hit it with the folk. Running on the street, I'm a suspect. Hanging with the killers in the projects. They don't wanna round, keep quiet. Catch a nigga slipping from behind.
What was forced to do was go to the bar. Hey.
This is really the star. I thought it was Nigerian. Oh. What's W? Oh, WC.
Wash Center? I don't know.
Alright, you guys, so I just thought I would do a voiceover just to kind of talk to you guys about the trip. So this trip was to Negril, Jamaica. Right now I am on live. This was 2 months ago, so I'm a little late uploading this, but it was such a nice environment. It was kind of freaky too, but it was a really good environment. The beach was beautiful. The food was good. The people were always nice, and just like Montego Bay, it was very, you know, community based and just down to earth and just nice. My sisters and I had a great time. So yeah, this vlog is not going to be too long, probably like 10-15 minutes. But yeah, everything was good. Service was good. Even my phone service was good if you have Verizon. But anyways, we're just going to get back to the vlog.
And you have on a pair.
But you say I'm just a friend. But you say I'm just a friend.
Lit. What else you say?
Oh, I had that song.
I can't remember the lyrics. Y'all know. Okay, I'm about to go back up there.
They still up there?
I thought y'all I was getting ready to turn my headphones and go back to the room.
Alright guys, so long story short, I'm ordering room service. They don't have a lot of options, but y'all, my camera cut off, but just by this point I just was moving really quick in the vlogs because I was having a good time. But we were supposed to dress up in brown to take pictures, and we just coordinated brown. So this is the night that we took pictures with our beautiful browns and our beautiful brown skins and lives. And we had dinner once again at the place in our resort. But yeah, that is what we're doing tonight. So I'm just going to show you guys a little bit of little clips from that night too. Also, you guys, I am on a self-care journey, and I wore this very skimpy dress. I love the dress. I actually changed to wear something more comfortable, and I changed my shoes. Y'all, my feet were hurting so bad. But comment down below if you guys are on a self-care journey too. Last night. I done broke a glass. Look.
Still with the dogs that I grew aside. All the niggas round me, right at it die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, GT.
I'm sick of it.
We just took our group picture. I'm not really feeling my like single pictures. What happened? Because
I'm just sick of it. That's what happened.
it is kind of dark, so it's our last night in Jamaica. Woo!
But my mom don't even know why.
We survived. We didn't get the dinner reservation we wanted, but we ate. We got a group picture. Now we're getting single pictures, and we're going to enjoy the night. Now we're gonna do the finale. The finale is bedroom photo.
Me or some drugs. Y'all said real street nigga. Y'all ain't on no block. Keep your legs closed, cause all I want is talk. I pull up and y'all gon' call the cops. I just bought a pistol, it got 30 rounds in it. Pull up bitch from mama house and put some rounds in it. That nigga blocking west, that nigga drown in it. Nigga round drunk, got a nigga down with it. I'm on this sort of gang shit, murder gang shit, sort of gang shit, murder gang shit. I'm on this slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit, slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit. 2 guns up, I don't give a fuck. I'm a big dog, little nigga, you a fuck. Pull up at your.
I don't know why. So we're in the airport right now, and I'm gonna let them explain why we're in the airport.
So this is what
We
happened.
supposed to be in Charlotte.
We flew into Newark, New Jersey from Montego Bay. At the gate that we had, we didn't know that you have to be a little bit earlier because it's a bus that takes you from the gate to the plane.
But it wasn't our fault though.
It wasn't our fault.
fault.
I got my quesadilla, guys.
Thank you.
But so we missed that connecting flight. So we thankfully got on a flight to Greensboro, and we're gonna make something work from Greensboro.
How do we get from Greensboro back to Charlotte, guys? We don't know yet.
We're gonna get a lift. Hopefully it's not. Hopefully it's not that much.
Golly, $200.
We're bonding, so.
Do my homework. So yeah, I have to like. I don't want to talk about it. All right, bye. This is New Jersey Airport, Sydney, and some drinks and stuff. And I'm about to get some steak from this restaurant over here. I feel like I'm in Vegas or something. I love this stuff. I don't even know what that is, but it tastes good on steak. I think it's pesto. Yo, I thought this was supposed to be fries, but it was steak and fries, not steak fries. Alright, thank you guys for watching. I'm back in my town, about to get the week started. I had such a great time. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe, and make sure you comment down below. Keep hustling, keep your face strong, and I'll catch y'all later.